Xeyir olsun. Bugünkü mövzumuz isim mövzusudur. Amma mövzunu mən suallarını verəcəm sevimli tələbəmə və o cavablandıracaq. Okay, let's go. Hello, Nuray.
Hello,
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I am fine. Thank you so much, my darling. We learned about the noun.
Yes.
Can you explain?
Nouns have three types.
Mhm.
It's simple, derivative, and compound.
Yes.
Simple nouns have only one root.
Mhm.
Derivative nouns have one root and suffix or prefix.
Yes, you're right.
Compound nouns have two or three roots.
Mhm. Can you give us some examples about simple, derivative, and the compound nouns?
Simple nouns,
Mhm.
example book, dog, home,
Mhm.
love.
Yeah.
Derivative nouns, example neighborhood, kingdom.